How to fix all RAM not fully usable in Windows? Step 1. Check how much RAM Windows detect. Click Settings, click System Settings, scroll down, click About Settings. Under Installed RAM, check if the usable RAM is much lower. Here you can see out of 16 GB, 15.3 GB is usable. Like this means is okay. But if out of 16 GB only 7 GB or below, that means you need to change it. So close it and move on with next step. Check Windows system information. Search for run and type the following text MSINF432. Click OK. Here you need to check the total physical memory and installed physical memory. Here you can check it. The installed physical memory is 16 GB and total physical memory is 15.3 GB. So if the total physical memory is 7 or 6 GB means you need to change it. So move on with next step. Disable maximum memory. Search for run and type the following text msconfig. Click OK. A system configuration will appear in this. Click boot and click advanced option. Disable the maximum memory. If it's enabled means you need to disable it. After disable, click OK and click apply and OK. Once complete, after move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text mdsched.exe. Type it and click OK. Choose restart now and check for problem. After completing this, you need to restart your device. After restart, you can check it. Thank you.